Soggy pancakes are a thing of the past with the crinkle cake. This recipe is really easy. I've never made it. I like to use complete pancake mix. All you have to do is add clear juice, shake, and boom. Pancake juice. Crinkle pan. Get it, Karen. Lube the pan with oil. I like to use coconut oil because it's gluten-free and it's virgin. Next, add your juice pan side up. I've never done this before, so I'm not really sure how it's going to turn out. So far, it's looking promising. I don't think it's going to be a crinkle cake, but maybe it'll be some sort of like pancake omelet. Okay, I've lost hope. This isn't going to turn out. Round 2, I guess. This time I'll add the pancake juice slower because it's different. Nice half crinkle cake. The other half I kind of wanted some scrambled eggs, so I'll just make some scrambled eggs. I think I'll call this crinkle browns. Add some chocolate chips. Add some more to hide the nasty taste. Taste test. Crinkle cakes.